Looking for a reliable and high-performance splicing machine? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best splicing machines that offer precision, speed, and durability, perfect for both professionals and tech enthusiasts. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the SAIVXIAN A-87S, a powerful and fully automatic fiber optic fusion splicer. With advanced core alignment, a fast 9-second splice time, and heating in just 26 seconds, it delivers top-tier performance. The 3.5-inch LCD display, multifunctional fiber holders, and USB support make it user-friendly. Built to endure tough environments, it supports up to 200 splices per charge. Ideal for SM, MM, DS, and NZDS fibers, it's the perfect tool for professionals. Item number 4. Introducing the M5 Optical Fiber Fusion Splicer, a powerful tool for fast and accurate fiber optic splicing. Featuring a 4.3-inch SPI touchscreen, it delivers fusion in just 8 seconds and heats in 18 seconds. With 6 precision motors, a 3-in-1 universal clamp, and 300x magnification, it's designed for efficiency and accuracy. The 5200 mAh high-capacity battery supports long working hours, making it ideal for FTTH projects. This machine also supports multiple languages, ensuring ease of use for technicians worldwide. Item number 3. Meet the AI9 Optical Fiber Fusion Splicer, designed for high-speed, precision splicing. With core cladding alignment, a 5-inch TFT screen, and 6-motor autofocus, it delivers fusion in just 5 seconds and heats in 15. Supporting multiple fiber types and languages, it offers 300x magnification, real-time arc calibration, and cloud-based splice record storage. Its 7800 mAh battery supports up to 260 cycles, and it's built to endure with waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant protection. Perfect for tough environments and professional use. Item number 2. Introducing the SignalFire AI20 and AI30 fiber fusion splicers, built for speed, precision, and convenience. Equipped with 6-motor autofocus core alignment, they offer a fast 15-second heating time and support both SM and MM fibers. A powerful 7800 mAh lithium battery ensures extended field operation, while built-in lighting makes night work easy. These machines come with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, ensuring reliability and safety for professionals working in demanding environments. Perfect for high-performance fiber optic splicing with advanced hybrid connectors. Item number 1. The Dikelang GX074 Fusion Splicer is designed for precision with core-to-core alignment and supports multiple fiber types including SM, MM, DS, and NZDS. It delivers ultra-low splice loss as low as 0.1 minute, fast splicing in 6 seconds, and 16-second heating. The 7800 mAh battery supports up to 400 splicing cycles per charge. A 4.3-inch HD display offers 320x magnification, and it stores up to 10,000 results. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for demanding fiber optic work in any environment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.